everyone! Let me introduce myself. I'm Rani Kurnia. This is my video to complete my English assessment. So this time, I will discuss electrical component. The first, a multimeter. A multimeter is an electrical measuring instrument used to measure three main quantities in electricity, namely electrical current or ampere, 2. Electrical voltage or volt, and 3. Electrical resistance or ohm. This tool is also known as an voltmeter, an abbreviation of ampere, volt, and ohm, and multitester. Types of multimeters. Multimeters are divided into two main types. 1. Analog multimeters. Use a pointer needle on a scale to indicate the measurement result. The working principle is based on a permanent magnet rotating coil, which can only be used for the current or DC measurement. Analog multimeters have a simple and easy to read display, but their accuracy is lower than digital. 2. Digital multimeters. Use a digital screen to display measurement result numerically. Digital multimeters are more accurate, easy to use, and can measure more parameters such as capacitance and signal frequency. The function of a multimeter. A multimeter is an essential electronic measuring instrument widely used in various fields, including electronics, engineering, and household maintenance. Its primary function is to measure different electrical properties, making it a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. The device typically combines several measurement functions in one unit, allowing users to check voltage, current, and resistance with ease. One of the most important functions of a multimeter is measuring voltage. By selecting the appropriate model, users can measure both alternating current or AC and direct current or DC. This feature is crucial for diagnosing electrical problems, testing batteries, and ensuring that circuits operate within the correct voltage range. Accurate voltage measurement helps prevent equipment damage and ensure safety during electrical work. Another key function of a multimeter is measuring electrical current. This allows users to determine how much current is flowing through a circuit, which is vital for troubleshooting overload circuit or identifying fault components. By measuring current, technicians and ensure that devices are not drawing more power than they should, which help maintain the efficiency and longevity of electrical system. A multimeter is also used to measure resistance, which indicates how much a material or components resist the flow of electric current. This function is particularly useful for checking the integrity for wires, fuse, and other components. By measuring resistance, user can detect open circuit, short circuit, or components that have degraded over time, ensuring the reliability of electronic devices. In addition to this primary function, many modern multimeters include extra features such as continuity testing, diode testing, and even temperature measurement. These additional capacities make the multimeters an indispensable tool for diagnosing and repairing a wide range of electrical and electronic problems. Its multimeter function design save time and effort, making it a must-have instrument for anyone working with electricity. How a multimeter works and parts. A multimeter is a versatile electrical measuring instrument that works by detecting and quantifying electrical signals such as voltage, current, and resistance. At its core, the device contains internal circuit that processes the signal and converts them into readable values displayed on an analog scale or a digital screen. The fundamental principle behind its operation is based on the interaction of electrical current with internal components that translate this current into measurable movement or digital data. In digital multimeters, the process is more complex and involves both analog and digital technologies. When the probes contact in a circuit, the electrical signal is first conducted through filters to remove noise and interference. The cleaned analog signal is converted into digital format by analog to digital converter or ADC. This digital data is processed by a microcontroller which calculates the exact value of the electrical parameters and display in on a LCD screen. This method allows for more precise and user-friendly reading compared to analog meters. The multimeter's internal parts play specific roles in its operation. The power supply, usually a battery, powers the internal circuit necessary for resistance measure and signal processing. Input protection circuit safeguards the device from excessive voltage or current that go the mic-sensitive components. The microprocessor controls the measurement mode and range, ensuring accurate reading. Finally, the display unit presents the measurement result clearly to the user. Add stroke and needle on an analog scale of digit on a digital screen. When measuring resistance, the multimeter sends a small no current from its internal battery through the components under test. This method requires the device to have a stable current source and sensitive voltage measurement capability. For voltage measurement, the multimeter acts as a high impedance device connected in parallel with the circuit, ensuring it does not significantly affect the circuit operation. Current measurement requires the meter to be connected in series so that a current flow through the internal shunt resistor, generating an measurable voltage drop proportional to the current. The transition from analog to digital multimeters has significantly improved accuracy, reliability, and functionality. Digital multimeters can measure additional parameters such as capacitance, frequency, and temperature, which are not typically available in analog models. The digital processing also allows for virtual lag auto-ranging, data hold, and blacklist display, making the multimeters more versatile and easy to use in various electrical and electronic applications. In summary, a multimeter works by converting electrical signal into a form that can be measured and displayed. Its internal parts, including the moving coil mechanism in analog model or the ADC and microcontroller in digital models, work together to detect voltage, current, and resistance accurately. This combines of components and technology enables multimeters to and inseparable to for diagnosing, troubleshooting, and maintaining electrical circuit and device. Okay, that's the explanation about multimeters. Next, I will explain about test pen. A test pen, also known as a voltage tester or test pen, is a simple yet essential to use to detect the presence of electrical voltage in conductor or circuit. It is designed primarily to provide a quick and easy way to check whether a wire or electrical device is live, which is crucial for safety before performing any electrical work. The device typically resembles a small screwdriver, a metal tip, and an indicator light or LED on the handle. The main function of a test pen is to detect live voltage in electrical circuit, usually 4 voltage application to 600 volt alternating current. When the metal tip of the test pen touches a live conductor, the indicator light inside the pen will illuminate, signaling the presence of voltage. This immediate visual feedback helps electrician and technician quickly identify energies varies and avoid accident electric shock. The pen's work based on the principle of capacitor coupling. When the pen's tip contacts a live conductor, the user body acts as a capacitor to ground, allowing a very small current to flow through the pen's internal circuit. This current is enough to light up the indicator without posing a danger to the user. The internal resistor limits the current to a safe level, ensuring the test pen is safe to use when handled properly. Besides detecting voltage, some test pens can also help identify the polarity of cables. Distinguishing between live or fast and neutral wires. The feature is particularly useful during vertical insulation and repair to ensure correct wiring connects. However, test pens are generally not designed to provide precise voltage measurement or test high voltage circuit, when more efficient tools like multimeters are recommended. Using a test pen safely involves several important steps. First, the user should verify that the test pen itself is working by testing it on a known live source. Then, the pen should be held by its insulation handle, and the tip should be placed careful and the conductor or contactor point the tester. It is also appreciable to wear insulation gloves and shoes to enhance safety, especially when working near live electrical components. In summary, the test pen is a fundamental electrical tool that enhances safety by quickly indicating the presence of voltage. Its operation relies on capacitive coupling and safe current limitation, providing a simple yet effective way to prevent electrical hazard. Proper use and understanding of its function make the test pen an indispensable device in electrical work. Okay, that's a little explanation from me about electrical components. Sorry if there are anything wrong words when delivering. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.